Meet the magnificent frigate bird, king of the skies. What's its secret superpower? Top 5 unknown facts. 1. Frigate birds can stay aloft for weeks. They ride thermals and winds to conserve energy. 2. They're expert thieves. Frigate birds steal food from other birds mid-air. 3. Frigate birds have huge wingspans, up to 2.3 meters, perfect for gliding. 4. They're monogamous-ish. Frigate birds often mate for life, but with some drama. 5. Frigate birds can't swim. Their feathers aren't waterproof, so they stay airborne. Mind blown? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more awesome facts.